Are you interested in a unique end of summer hamburger? Well, this is one you gotta see. It's a s'mores burger. Well, I'm just making my burgers in a pan because I have a confession to make. I don't actually own a grill. It calls for a pound of ground beef. I'm just using already prepped burger patties. I'm using some dark chocolate that I'll be putting on that patty. And cover it with another patty, and we're gonna seal those edges. Yes, there really is a chocolate bar in that burger. We'll see if it oozes. I'm definitely seeing some oozing. Grab your bun. You'll need a graham cracker on the bottom and on the top. Here comes that burger. Top with some marshmallow cream and toast it. S'mores burger. A s'mores burger. Look at that. The inside is actually pretty cooked. I love it. Well, how does it taste? Chocolate, marshmallow, graham cracker, burger? It's fun. You notice all the elements of a s'more, but then you have that beef flavor thrown in. But I kinda like it. It is a silly burger. You'll enjoy it. I recommend it. And I might even have it again. I'll give it a 7.7 out of 10. What do you do if you get rejected from the sunscreen company? Reapply.